Hi everyone, I'm Danxu. This is a demonstration video for the application MOBLIMA developed by SS6 Assignment Group 3. In this video, we have Jiang covering basic use cases for moviegoers, and Lingxuan covering settings for admin staff, and Junzhe doing test cases.
Hi, I'm Lily, the first-time user for MOBLIMA. I heard this service provides movie ticket ordering, so I want to try out. First, I will select user mode, and my username will be Lily. Oh, it's a very warm welcome message. I would like to view all current available movies. Oh, that's a lot. There are 5 different movies. Okay, I think The Godfather looks okay, so I want to check for more details of that. I will return to the last menu, search for this movie. Oh, this is the details of The Godfather 1. I like this cast, and the rating looks good, and the review looks very interesting. Okay, I will put the movie. Checking for all these sessions. Maybe I should find a place near to my school, Jurong Point. For the schedule, I think November 14 should be a good day since it's my last paper. Okay, so I will put this session. This is the layout of this cinema. Select the row of seat, maybe B5. Oh, this seat is not available. I think it's taken by someone else. How about A0? There is no seat in this selected place. Okay, maybe this means the blank space is the staircase. Okay, I would like to select for other seats. Maybe G7. These are the price. I think I will put the student price. Got the special discount. Okay, put my name, mobile number, my emails, and my age. Now, I think I will go for the movie. See you later. I have watched the movie. Now I want to write some review for this movie. Okay, as a coming back user, I have to enter my password for verification. Okay, now I need to view all my orders. Yes, this is the movie I have watched just now. Yeah, the price and the session time is correct also. Yes, I would like to write review for this movie. Rating, I think I will give 4.5. Comments, nice movie. Yes. Okay, I want to see whether my review has been posted successfully or not. Select 2. Okay, I have seen all my review here. Yes, it's recorded correctly. That's a very easy and convenient platform.
If I'm the admin staff, then I can press 2 to choose the admin mode. So first, I need to log in. If I enter the wrong password, I cannot log in and need to re-enter the password. So with the correct password entering, I can view the main panel. There are 6 options. So if I press 1, I can move on to the movie panel. So if I choose option 1, I can view all the movies with the status. If I choose option 2, I can view the current top 5 movies by revenue. If I choose option 3, I can view the top 5 movie by the ratings. If I choose the option 2, that means I want to manage the movies. So you can see there are 3 types of ways to manage the movies. If I choose option 1, that means I'm to add a new movie. Firstly, I need to enter the movie title, and then I need to enter in some relevant information. So if I choose the option 2, that means I want to add existing movie with some details. After entering the movie title, there are 6 types of information I can edit. So if I choose 1, that means I'm to edit the showing status of the movie. Then if I choose the option 3, that means I'm to remove an existing movie. So if I enter a title of movie like The Godfather 1, that means I'm to remove this movie from the database. Then I'll go back to our main panel and take a view of the current movies. So for the Godfather 1, since I just removed it, so the status is end of showing. So for the Godfather 3, since I just added it, so it's a new movie and the status is coming soon. And for the Godfather 2, since that's a movie I just added, so the current status is now showing. So that's all for the manage movie part. So after going back to the admin console, if I choose the option 3, that means I'm to view the sessions. So press 1, that means I'm view all the sessions. So all the sessions will be listed here. So if I choose option 2, that means I'm to view the sessions by the simplex name. So I enter the simplex name that I want to filter. So after that, they will list all the sessions with the simplex name that would be the Golden Village at Jurong Point. So if I choose the option 3, that means I'm to view the sessions by the movie title. So after entering the movie title, then I'll view all the sessions that the movie would be the requirement. So after going back to the main panel, if I choose the option 4, that means I'm to manage the sessions. So similarly, there would be 3 options. So if I choose the option 1, that means I'm to add a new session. So I need to enter the movie title with relevant important informations. After that, if I choose the option 2, that means I'm to update the session details. So after entering the session index, I can add the start time and the end time of this session. So if I choose the option 3, similarly, after entering the session index, I can remove this session. So if we go back and view the sessions, we can view the sessions we just add and just updated. And the session we remove cannot see in this session list. So at the main panel, if we choose the option 5, that means we are to manage the system configuration. So if we choose option 1, that means we are to update the price table. So firstly, we'll view the overall price table. So there would be 3 base prices for basic, senior, and student types. So for the special cases like the movie types, cinema class, or the weekday, etc., we need to time some parameter or rate case by case. And there would be 7 features that we can update for the price table. So if we choose the option 1, that means we are to update the base prices. Then at the config panel, if we choose the option 2, that means we are to update the holiday date. And all the holidays will be listed here. And we can choose to add a new date or remove an existing date. The option 3 is to update the movie filter. So we can determine whether the user can list by revenue or not, and similarly the ratings. And that's all of the admin functions.
So here we start the test case 1. First we log into the user account. And for the test case, we choose to book a movie of The Godfather 1 on the day of November 13th. Since for now the admin has not set this day as the holiday, the price you can see here is still the regular price. And then we make our booking. Okay, after that we switch back to the admin mode and choose to change the system configuration to update the holiday set. We add a new date, which is November 14th. Then we're going back to the user account. And here we still choose to book the same movie and the same session on the same day. And after select the seat, you can see here the price has been changed to the holiday price accordingly. Okay, here we start our second test case. First, we log in as the admin staff and add a new movie called The Godfather 3. Here we set the status is now showing and enter all the movie details. Here we set the end of showing date as November 11th, and then we add 2 new sessions of The Godfather 3. The first session is a valid session because the start time and the end time is before the end of showing date. And here we start to add another session. This is actually an invalid session because the start time and the end time is after the end of showing date, which is November 11th. And here we switch back to the moviegoer account to check the sessions of The Godfather 3. And here you can see we can only view the valid sessions, which means the start time and the end time is before the end of showing date. And other invalid sessions here we cannot see. And here is our third test case. First, we log in as a moviegoer. For demonstration, we will book different sessions of the same movie, which is The Godfather 1. And here we choose to book the first sessions on Monday, and the cinema type is Max. And you can see here the price for adult is $38. And then we make our bookings. And here we start to book the second session. You can see the cinema type is the same as before, which is Max, but the day of week is on Sunday. The price has been changed to $47 accordingly. And still, we start to book the third session. It's still on Sunday, but the cinema time has been changed to gold. And you see the price has increased to $62. And we finish our booking. Okay, here we start the fourth test case. First, we log in as the movie admin staff and view all the movies. You can see as the admin staff, we can view all the movies of all the 4 status. And then we log in as a moviegoer. And still, we choose to view all the current movies. And you can see here, we can only view the movies in the status of preview and now showing.